play PS3 games on PC? Open up Chrome and search for RPCS3. Once you are here, click on this link. Scroll down a bit until you see there is a download for x64. It is only available in 64-bit systems. As you can see, it is downloading. Now open up another tab and search for PS3 ISO download. This will be the games. Okay, so open the second link. In here we are going to play WWE 2K14, but it is not here listed here, so we're going to search it. Click here and just search in WWE 2K14. As you can see, the game is available here, so we click on this one and we click on download now. There are multiple versions of this game, including the DLCs, so we are going to download like this version. So I'm just going to see that there is written ISO decrypted. You should download those files. So I just click on it. The first one was a pop-up. You have to wait for a few seconds till you can see the download option. And here you go. As you can see, the download has started. I have already downloaded the game, so it will take some. I will not download this file. Now we head back to where the emulator has been downloaded and create a new folder naming RPCS3 here. You can keep this folder on the place where you want to install the software. So we are going to just drag these files to the folder. And from here you can see there is this rpcs3.exe. Let's right click on it and run as administrator. There are multiple options. I want to create a desktop shortcut and I just want to go ahead. And also I don't want to show it on the startup. So while in here, you have to also download the PlayStation system software. Go to the PlayStation website and just go and do this one. This will not download like this. You have to right click on it and click save link as. So what I'm going to do is right click and save link as. As you can see, it's a PUP file, a pub file. This is the update file needed to make the emulator work. So once it's downloaded, you go back to the emulator, go to file and go to install firmware, and there you have it, the downloaded file, and open it. As you can see, it is showing that it is installing firmware and the firmware has been successfully installed. So now it's time for the RPCS3 to compile the PPU modules. Let it do its thing and you take a coffee and wait for a couple of minutes. Now once it's done, we're going to file and go to boot game and go and locate where you have downloaded the game. This one, I am going to go with the select folder, and as you can see, it is loading and compiling PPU modules. The ISO which you have downloaded, you have to extract it, then it will become a folder game, or you can run the ISO directly from the file option on the emulator. It supports both. So I'm going to fast forward this video right now. After it is completed, and it will compile shaders. Then as you can see, compiling PPU modules or shaders, and this time it will install the game data into the storage. So just wait for a couple of minutes and let it install. Once it is done, you will be directly booted into the game, and there you can see it is compiling shaders on the bottom left corner of the screen. The more time you give to the game to compile shaders, the more efficiently it will run on your computer.
Thank you for watching, guys. This really means a lot.